Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this smart USB charging station so you can see the smart voltage and current recognition. So I'm pretty excited. Let's show you guys what you get inside the box and go from there. So they give you your power cable, the hub, and a little manual as well. So let's go ahead and peel this off and then we can show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like. Now you can read it a little easier in person. Some reason the camera can't really pick up the screen, but in person it's much easier to read. So you have these different bays here. You got you got 7 bays right here, and then you have a Type-C charging bay as well. So it's a nice sleek design, really cool. And this allows you to charge 7 different devices with a USB port, or one Type-C and one Type-C, I should say. So that makes it really nice for charging and monitoring the output. So let's go ahead and unplug in our device here. So now that we got our device plugged in, you guys can see it says the amps and it shows the battery. It shows it's charging. Shows the watts. I really wish that camera would show you guys better. So I apologize for the camera not showing the screen better, but in person you can easily see it clearly. So it's taking 8.3 watts, 16 amps. Where's that? No, that's 1.6 amps. Sorry guys. So I was looking on my camera screen and it looked like 16. It's 1.6 amps and 8.3 watts. So I do like this a lot. Again, the camera does not do it justice, so ignore how the screen looks. You got to ignore how that looks on camera. Overall, this is great. I like it. Multi-charging station hub. Very nice.